Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Shift, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real-life practice. I'm Anna, your English coach for today.
And I'm Jack. It's great to see you all again. I'm super excited about today's topic, Anna.
Oh, really, Jack? What's today's topic?
We're talking about daily routines, how to talk about your day in English.
Perfect. That's one of the most useful topics for English learners. You use it in conversations, interviews, and even when meeting new people.
Exactly. People often ask, what do you do every day? Or what's your morning like? So today, we'll learn how to answer naturally.
Before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends. It really helps our channel grow.
Yes, and we love reading your comments. Tell us below, what time do you wake up every morning?
That's a great warm-up question. Okay, Jack, let's start. Tell me about your daily routine.
All right, my day usually starts at 6:30 a.m. I wake up, stretch a little, and then brush my teeth.
Good start. Can you say that again slowly for our listeners?
Sure. I wake up at 6:30. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Perfect pronunciation. Then what do you do after that?
After that, I make coffee. I need coffee in the morning. Then I make breakfast, usually eggs and toast.
That sounds delicious. I like how you said, I make breakfast. That's a great phrase for our learners. You can also say, I prepare breakfast, or I eat breakfast at 7.
Right. Then I take a quick shower and get dressed for work.
What time do you leave for work?
I usually leave home at 8 o'clock.
Nice. So you wake up, brush your teeth, have breakfast, take a shower, get dressed, and go to work.
Exactly. That's my morning routine.
Listeners, try to repeat this part with us. I wake up at 6:30. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I take a shower. I go to work. Now let's talk about your work routine, Jack. What do you do when you get to work?
Well, I start work at 9 a.m. I check my emails, make a to-do list, and attend a short meeting with my team.
That's very organized. You used some great vocabulary. Check emails, make a to-do list, attend a meeting.
Thanks. Then I work on different projects until lunch.
What time do you have lunch?
Usually around 1 p.m. I go to the cafeteria with my colleagues and we talk about movies or travel.
That's a nice way to practice English. Casual conversation during lunch.
Totally agree. After lunch, I go back to work and usually finish around 5:30.
And it's time to relax, right?
Finally.
Okay, so tell me about your evening routine. What do you usually do after work?
After work, I go to the gym 3 days a week. I like to exercise. It helps me stay healthy.
That's great. You can say, I work out in the gym, or I exercise after work.
Yes, after the gym, I go home, take a shower, and cook dinner.
What do you usually cook?
Sometimes pasta, sometimes rice with vegetables, something simple.
Healthy choice.
After dinner, I usually watch a TV show or read a book.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love mystery novels.
I like that too. After that, what time do you go to bed?
Usually at 11 p.m.
That's a good time. You sleep about 7 hours, right?
Yes, I try to.
Nice. So your full daily routine is healthy and balanced. Okay, listeners, let's look at some key expressions from Jack's routine.
Yes, listen and repeat after us.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I go to work. I finish work. I go to bed.
Great job. Now, let's try using them with times.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I go to work at 9. I have lunch at 1. I go to bed at 11.
Awesome. You can also use adverbs of frequency, like always, usually, sometimes, never.
Exactly. For example, I usually wake up early. I sometimes eat out. I never skip breakfast.
Let's make it fun. I'll say a sentence and you tell me if it's true or false for you.
Okay,
I always wake up early.
false. I love sleeping in on weekends.
Me too.
Now, let's help our listeners practice.
Yes, everyone listening, repeat after us and then answer for yourself.
What time do you wake up? I wake up at.
What do you have for breakfast? I have.
What time do you start work or school? I start work at.
What do you do in the evening? I usually.
Excellent. You can practice these sentences every day to improve fluency.
Now let's test your listening. I'll describe my friend's day and you have to remember the details.
Ooh, sounds fun.
My friend Sarah wakes up at 7 a.m. She drinks coffee and reads the news. She works from home. She eats lunch at noon. In the evening, she goes for a walk and watches TV.
Great story. Now, listeners, what time does Sarah wake up?
She wakes up at 7 a.m.
Perfect. Next question. Does she work in an office or from home?
She works from home. Excellent.
Nice job, everyone. Jack, this was such a great conversation. We covered the full daily routine from morning to night.
Yes, and lots of useful phrases to describe your day in English.
Before we finish, let's summarize.
Wake up, brush your teeth, have breakfast, go to work, have lunch, finish work, relax, go to bed.
Exactly. You can use this structure to talk about your day anytime.
And for today's question of the day, what time do you usually wake up and what's the first thing you do in the morning?
Write your answer in the comments. We love reading your sentences.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends. It really helps our channel grow.
Thank you all for listening. Keep practicing every day and you'll speak English with confidence.
Until next time, take care and stay fluent.
Bye, everyone.